Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, June 5th. Today's Zen story is titled The Cloud's Journey. High in the hills, where the wind carried the scent of pine and the river carved its song into the valley below, a young monk named Sogen watched the clouds drift across the sky. He had spent years in the monastery, yet his mind remained restless, anxious, and filled with thoughts of the future. As the sun set, the old abbot found Sogen sitting alone, eyes fixed on the heavens. "Tell me, Sogen," the abbot said, lowering himself onto a nearby rock, "where do the clouds go?" Sogen frowned. "They travel where the wind takes them." The abbot nodded. "And do they resist?" Sogen shook his head. "No, they simply move." The abbot picked up a dry leaf and released it into the breeze. It tumbled and spun before settling gently on the ground. "And what about this leaf?" "The wind carries it too," Sogen replied. "And the river?" the abbot asked, and pointed down to the valley. Sogen did not answer. The abbot turned his gaze toward the horizon. "Why do you resist?" Sogen wanted to answer, but didn't know how. He watched as a lone cloud stretched and dissolved into the endless blue sky, its journey complete. That evening, Sogen packed his few belongings and started to walk. He did not know where he would go, only that the wind had already begun to carry him. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, to relax your body, to arrive into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. In what ways do you resist the natural flow of life? In what way do you resist the natural flow of life? What would it mean for you to move like the clouds without resistance? What would it mean for you to move like the clouds without resistance? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And as always, I encourage you to check out our private circle group, where I put those reflections and suggestions for practical moments of Zen you can play with during your day. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.